This is v45.org, and today we're going to focus on bulk uploading listings. There are a couple of ways that you can upload your listings in bulk, and we're going to go over both of these along with showing you how to create your zip file. There are instructions as to how to prepare it on this page, as well as under number 2. And then you can choose your upload frequency as well. Make sure you choose your preset. For mine, I'm choosing wall art since I do digital wall art. And then you can choose, of course, add all of your description, price, other settings here. I would recommend upscaling it, and then you can select your zip file when it's ready. Here I'm going to show you how to create that zip file. All you need to do is find where your images are saved in your files, select all of them, and then right click, and on your computer there should be an option to compress it to a zip file, and that will make one file that you can rename that includes all of your images in that one zip file. So you can see here all of my 20 images are in this zip file all together in one folder. So this is how I can upload all of these as individual listings at once instead of uploading each individual listing one at a time. This saves so much time. So then you just choose that zip file on V45 and it will upload all of those images as individual listings for you. Then you hit create listings and you can see on my Etsy shop that all of those images have been created as individual listings for me to publish. I have them in draft, but you have the option on V45 to go ahead and publish those listings as well if you prefer. Looking at one, you can see that it has a title for me. All of the preview images are different. It has added the files and the description, of course, all of the other options that I typed in, since they're all the same, like the preset category and the tags are there, all of my pricing and quantity is already there, and then I just add the shop section myself. I've already chosen to, my renewal options there, so I can just publish it here if I haven't already. So there is another option where you can bulk upload bundles of images into one listing. So we're going to do the same thing here back on V45 where I choose my preset of wall art and then check my description, select if I want to publish immediately, and then all of my information. Then I'm going to select my zip file for this, which is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to bundle just a few of these images into one listing. So I'm going to make a new folder and label that 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to take a few of these images and bundle them together to make one listing. So that would include like 6 of these images instead of just one. That way the buyer receives multiple images instead of just one in their purchase. So if you have lots of images that you're selling as a bundle or as a set in one listing, you can make individual folders and then put all those folders together and compress them into a zip file so that you have made a zip file that actually includes subfolders you see. There are 1, 2, and 3 in there, and all of the images are there inside of that subfolder. Which means that for this, I will only be creating 3 listings, but they will each have 6 to 7 images for the buyer to purchase. So we go through the same process of uploading everything, which takes just a few seconds for each listing. These are going to be sets. We're going to create the listings, and then we'll check our Etsy shop. Now here in Etsy, you see I have 3 new listings in their bundles. So this one has 7 images. You can see the preview images. It actually shows you all 7 that it comes with and lists everything out in terms of the animals. So this is going to be multiple images for the buyer to purchase within this one listing. And of course I can change all of my options here, and the tags have already been put in by V45. Then you can publish from there. You can see this is slightly different images from my different folder there. There's 7 images in this listing as well, and that's what the buyer is going to receive. And these preview images are really high quality and beautiful. Check it out.